Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to increase Lightshot text font size. First you need to install Lightshot desktop version. I am already installed it and I am open it and take a screenshot. After taking a screenshot, adding some text on it. Now you can see the text is little bit smaller. To increase this size, first hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and press plus icon. Now you can see text little bit increase. Text size is increasing after after pressing on Ctrl plus button. Thank you.